I used the regular surface and I found a hole in my shirt.
I'm sorry to have that. May I see the receipt and the
Sure, here we are.
please? I will send you the files. Good morning.
Good morning.
I am the professor. What do you explain problem again?
Sure. I found a hole in my shirt after I laundry here.
I'm sorry to hear that. You will explain this.
Sure. Then what's next?
After the inspection, we have we have we have sources according to our company was.
I understand that. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.